Let me show you how I designed this flyer in CorelDRAW. If you're new, you're welcome. So welcome to CorelDRAW. So first of all, locate your property bar and select pixels. All right. So once you select pixels under your unit, come to your page dimension and change this to 1080 by 1350. Then press enter on your keyboard. Do you understand? If you like, don't understand. So basically the next thing you're going to do is, you see this rectangle here, double click on it. And once you double click on it, you will see this black thing that is here. We'll call it stroke or outline. I keep explaining myself all the time. Anyway, to remove it, like I always say, I don't advise you guys to always remove it. To always leave it there. Do you understand? So basically, to remove it, click on this thumbnail over here. You will see it has taken itself out. I don't know where it went to anyway, but after then, click letter P on your keyboard to take it back to where it came from. That is the canvas there you're seeing there. All right, so basically the next thing you're going to do is you drop your tool using your pick tool, right? Then the next thing you're going to do is import the images you're going to use for this tutorial. Now, first of all, come to File, select Import. Shortcut is Ctrl+I. All right, not the I in your eye, Sha. All right, so the next thing, locate where the files are saved. All right, so this is where my files are saved. So over here are the text we are going to make use of. And I've put the names of the fonts down there for you guys. So all right, basically select all this, then click on import. So once you click on import, basically click and drag over here. And these are all the things we're going to make use of. So you can see this pattern was gotten from Pinterest. This is not actually an advert. I'm telling you where I got these things from. So that tomorrow you guys will not come and be telling me where did I get this from. Anyway, I'm going to put the link of this in the down description below for you guys. So basically, the next thing we're going to do is to extract this from this background so we can be able to change the color. So the next thing we're going to do is come to bitmap, convert it to bitmap first of all to reduce the the weights. So you can see the resolution is 300. Color mode, change it to RGB, then click on OK. Now come over to your bitmap, select mode, then select black and white. If you like, don't understand, that means you're not subscribed to this channel. Anyway, for you to understand anything I'm saying, you need to subscribe. And you need to watch this video to the very end. So don't skip anything and come and be asking me question later. Anyway, you can see the before, you can see the after, right? So you can basically play with this thumbnail over here. So you can see it has disappeared, it has come back. So basically, convert to bitmap again. Come to trace bitmap, select outline trace, then select line art. And wait for that to load. All right. And the next thing we're going to wait for is to get the before and get the after. All right. So as you can see, it is loading. It is loading, guys. So click on OK and basically delete this one, ungroup it, then delete this white one you don't want. Something is there, don't be confused. All right, now you can see this. So I'm going to use this 20% gray for it. I'm going to put this way. All right, I'm going to right click and select power clip, then place it into this frame, then right click again and select edit power clip, and you can scale it up this way. All right, so that is it. So let's use 10%. Then click on OK. Now the next thing you're going to do is bring your this image, bring this image, place it here, scale it up. When I mean something you should scale it, I mean you should enlarge it. I don't know any other way to explain this thing for you guys. Anyway, basically highlight this. You can see it is actually you know, disrupting this background. It is too much there. So we're going to convert this. Select this color thumbnail over here. All right, then come to your edit field. Then increase the white so it doesn't disrupt this. All right, so I think we're good with this. So click on finish. So you can see this is better anyway. Now, this is what you're gonna have. So I'm gonna bring in this logo, reduce it or scale it down, then bring it here. Now, the next thing you're going to do, guys, is drag this one down a bit and bring this guy over here. Then make sure it is fitted to the middle. Now, the next thing you're going to do is we're going to leave this background the way it is. You see this flyer, right? I love the way this background is, like this microphone, the blue background, and all those stuff going on there. I love the way it is. I'm not going to do anything much on this flyer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my text. All right, I'm going to copy this karaoke night. Ctrl C to copy, then Ctrl V to paste. And when you paste it this way, this is the name of the font. It's called BadaBoom BB. All right, so basically, I don't know what that means, but if you want to understand, watch to the very end. I will explain what BadaBoom BB is. Do you understand? So I'm going to break this apart using Ctrl plus K. I'm going to place this one just right here. Then once I do that, I'm going to scale this one up this way and bring this guy up just right here. Now this is what we're going to have. All right. The next thing we're going to do, guys, is make sure this is grouped. This stuff is grouped, right? Now, the next thing you're going to do is come over to this shadow. Then under the shadow, there are tools. Then select your contour tool. Contour tool, drag, click and drag. You can see what I'm doing here. Just click. If you drag it inside, it will be like this. If you drag it outside, drag it outside. Then come over to the contour corners, then select round corners. All right, if you don't understand anything here, go and watch my beginners class. All right, it's right there. It's the first video you're going to see on my channel. Now, the next thing you're going to do is, you can see all these things are together, right? So you're going to select this, right click on it and select break contour apart, Ctrl plus K. Now I'm going to give this one this white color so we can have this. Okay, so this is what we're going to have. So the next thing I'm going to do is I want to select this eyedropper tool, pick a color from here, then give it this color. You can see it has matched. All right, it has matched. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this way. All right, take it up. Then let's add a color to this so we can differentiate. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to this and select this color. Let me give it a lighter one. So let's select this a light yellow. All right, so let's use this one. And the next thing we're going to do is come over to this, right, and copy this. Then come over to this and paste it over here. The fonts we'll be making use of for this one, we're going to make use of this font, Britanica. I'm going to paste this over here. And the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to just give it a white color. And I'm going to cut this one. All right, so once I cut it, I'm going to paste it just right there. I'm going to bring this one here, break it apart, bring this guy here, break it apart. Then I'm going to bring this guy over here, scale this one up, bring this guy here, and leave that to that. I'm going to bring this down here, select my rectangle tool, put a line just right here. All right, so once I do that, I'm going to just basically give it a white color. So once I give it a white color, I'm going to reduce this guy, place it just right here, bring in this guy, place it right here. Then I'm going to bring in this guy also, just demarcate, but I think they are too close to each other. Then I'm going to just do this, and that is it. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my freehand tool, put this here, drag this one down here, then give it a white outline, then bring it down here, or let me just basically flip it this way, bring another one here, take it down this way, then basically drag this one down. Is my shape tool. Basically the same thing, guys, nothing serious, don't do much, right? It's just basically the same thing, just the way we draw this is the way I'm drawing this one. So I'm going to just drag this one and take it up this way and leave that. So basically reduce this guy, and that is what we're going to have. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. All right, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it here with the white color. The font I'll be making use of this is called the Autograf. All right, then basically break this one apart. Use Ctrl-K to break it apart. Then place it just right there, flip it with this anchor point. To get it is, I believe you guys understand, sure? If you don't understand, that means you're not subscribed. Anyway, I'm going to just drag this one here and paste it here. Take it up this way, and that is what we're going to have. In case you don't understand, that means you're not subscribed. All right, so I'm going to cut this, guys. Ctrl-C to copy, Ctrl-V to paste. Change the font to Britanica. Give it a black color. Make sure it's 100% black. Now bring it here. Make sure it is centered alignment. Break it apart. Bring this one, bold this one just right there. And that is what you're going to have, right? Now the next thing you're going to do is bring in another line. Put another line here. Then give it light, or maybe let's use 50%. Drag this guy down here, and boom, that is what you're going to have. Now basically reduce it, take it up, bring this down here, and go to your text, copy the next one, guys. Copy the next one. I didn't write it, okay? It says wine bar, sports bar, pump price, and grills. So that is it. Now copy this, bring this guy, then paste it here. Then come over to your alignment and make sure it's non-alignment. That doesn't mean there should not be alignment. It means let there not be alignment. Let the alignment be to the left, right? And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to bring this guy down here. Then take this up, bring this guy here. Then you're going to use this icon to represent them. Basically, if you want to get this icon, go to Google, type wine bar, you get this. Sport bar, you get a lot of icons. Just use it and represent it. I don't want to, go deeper with this stuff. All right, so the time is what? The time is 8 p.m. All right, time is 8 p.m. So the font for this one is okay. Let's use this font. Scale it up, right? Well, we're going to use, let's try Montserrat for this font. All right, so there are better fonts to use, guys. Just for the sake of this tutorial, let's just use Montserrat. All right, so you can experiment different fonts. that works for you. And all of you like me giving you everything, which doesn't make sense to me. Doesn't make sense to me. I can't give you all everything. Can't give you everything. All right. So basically, let's pick a color from this. Let's pick a color from here. Okay, let's go with this one. All right. So that is it, guys. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in this guy. So I want to change the color, guys. So to extract this, go to bitmap, just the way we did the other one. Go to bitmap, select mode, then trace bitmap, outline, trace line out. For those of you joining me for the first time, watch the video to the very end so you understand. Do you understand? Then, when you extract this, just the way we did before, I'm just being fast. All right. Then I'm going to just bring this guy here. If you extract this, you can basically change the color. Do you understand? You can change the color. So basically, let's bring this guy in here. Bring this guy, make a chance for him. Make a chance, make a chance. Zubun zubu, eimba ei. So that is it, guys. So all right. Basically, like I said, there are better fonts. I don't actually like this font I use there, so I'm going to use Monstrat. All right. So that is much better. Much better. Much better. If you think it's not better, use the font that is much okay for you. I will not dispute your fonts. Now, let's come to this and add time. Not basically important, but I just want to do it. So I'm going to use the Jacklyn and change this to small letter. All right. So I'm going to just place that one here. So since if you want the font, let me put it for you. Let me put it for you. All right. I've put it. I've put in it. Don't come and bite me that I did not put it. All right. Over here, guys, I'm going to create a logo that shows this event only admits people under 18. If you're not 18, please get out of here. All right. So I'm going to just put this 18 plus. If you don't know what 18 plus means, it means you should be above 18 or you should be 18 to attend this program. It's not actually a program, it's an event. Event and anyway, they are the same thing. Anyhow you see it, they are the same thing. I don't know. Now I think something is missing. So I want to go to my something I need here. I don't know if I have it. Okay, I think I still have it. I don't know if it's this one. All right, I don't actually know if it's this one, but let me use this one and see. If it's not this one, then I'll get the right one and put for you guys. Now basically place this here and go use your transparency tool, go to mesh mode and select screen. This is not it. This is not it. This is not it, but permit me to copy it. Permit me to copy it. So copy it from here and paste it for you guys. All right, so let me go back to this. So this is it, guys. So I'm going to just basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to export it for you guys. All right. I'm going to tag it as light flake. All right. So I'm going to just save it for you guys. I forgot that I deleted it. So basically I'm going to place this over here. Now this is how to make it transparent. It's very simple. You can see it has black background. Go to your transparency tool and go to your screen, select screen. All right, go to your mesh mode, then select screen, and you will see it. You can see the difference between the one I brought before and this one. Permit me, I went and copied it from the one I did before. So I've put the stock images for you guys already. So I'll put the link for you guys in the down description below so you can have it. You got a group? If you don't got that means you're not subscribed. So for you to understand this tutorial, you need to water This is how I designed this flyer in CorelDRAW. If you have no question, please drop me a comment in the comment section below for those who are subscribed. And if you watch it to the very end, write me your name. I will give you a shout out in my next video. If you watched it to the very, if you watch it to the very end, like at this point that I'm talking to you like this, drop me your name. I'll give you a shout out. I will shout your name in the next video. I will acknowledge you for being here. Yotago, do you understand? Alright, if you don't understand, subscribe to understand. We are done. I don't know why you guys are still here listening to me. We are done. Anyway, you can move to the next video, which is under or the one before this video. Do you understand? So that's it. Nothing serious. We have designed flyer. You can go and search for clients and design for them too and make money. Yeah. I don't go.